I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a city in Blender. First, let's get our scene ready. Begin by opening Blender and starting a fresh project. It's crucial to set your scene units to meters for precise scaling throughout our build. Then, add a simple plane object. This will be the foundation for our city. Scale this plane to a substantial size, perhaps 100 by 100 meters, to represent a large city block. Next, we'll dive into the power of geometry nodes to create our buildings procedurally. This allows for incredible flexibility and variation. Start by creating a basic building shape, then use extrusions and random value nodes to give each building unique characteristics. You can easily add details like windows and doors as instances, or apply them as textures. Play around with the node parameters to generate a wide array of building heights and architectural styles. Now, let's bring our city to life by adding essential urban details. Roads, sidewalks, and streetlights are crucial for a realistic feel. You can efficiently place these repetitive elements using array modifiers or by instancing them with geometry nodes. Don't forget to populate your streets with vehicles and introduce some greenery with trees and bushes. Adding subtle imperfections, like cracks in the pavement, will significantly enhance the overall realism of your urban landscape. Finally, it's time to make our city shine with proper lighting and materials. Choose a time of day, like a golden hour sunset, and set up your lighting accordingly. Apply realistic materials and textures to your buildings, roads, and other elements to give them depth and character. Position your camera to capture an appealing overview of your bustling city. Then, render your masterpiece using either the Cycles or Eevee render engine to see your creation come to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.